Hello everyone, as every Wednesday, we are together with a new video today. Today, we will be walking around Istanbul Istiklal Street with you. But if you like and subscribe to the video first, you can support me and help the videos continue. Before starting Istiklal Street tour, I recommend to you to stop by Galata Tower and watch the magnificent view of Istanbul. After exiting the Galata Tower, you can walk on Istiklal Street from the direction of Taksim Tunnel to the direction of Taksim Square and enjoy the beautiful Istanbul. Another transportation method is the metro. You should get off the Taksim stop. You can shop at many stores along the street, or if you don't want to get tired, you can take the nostalgic Taksim Tunnel tram and tour the street. Don't forget that in order to get on the tram, you must have the Istanbul card, which is used for urban transportation. You can get Istanbul card from any market. Istiklal Street is the most famous and touristic street of Istanbul and even Turkey. Istiklal Street, which is a colorful street close to vehicle traffic and the most visited by Istanbulites and especially young people and tourists in Istanbul, offers 24-hour entertainment and life with its cafes, bars, restaurants, art centers, cinemas, shopping centers, and historical texture. You can find many clothing stores, souvenir shops, and etc. You can see a float of people, both local and foreign, at any time of the day, summer and winter, on Istiklal Street, which is the busiest street in Istanbul. It is said that more than 1 million people walk every day. In addition, you can often encounter street performances or street musicians on the street. In front of the historical Galatasaray High School on the street, the fans of Galatasaray gather together and go to watch the match in Nevizade. St. Antoine Catholic Church is one of the most beautiful and magnificent churches of Istanbul. The church, which was built in 1912 in the Italian neo-Gothic style, is also the largest church in Istanbul and belongs to the most crowded Catholic section. As you can find in different places in Istanbul, you can try chicken or meat Turkish doner kebabs and Turkish desserts on Istiklal Street. Today, the street is full of buildings, mansions, passages, and many foreign country consulates and embassies, which stand out with their 19th century history and rich architectural structure, which are home to various brands. It is also lively and active 24 hours a day, with numerous shops, cafes, bars, discos, clubs, and restaurants. Nevizade is one of the popular centers of entertainment and nightlife in Beyoğlu and Taksim. It is full of various taverns, fish restaurants, and eating and drinking places, with tables on the left and right along the street, and it has a very nice atmosphere, especially in summer evenings. When there is a match of Galatasaray, this place is filled with Galatasaray fans and they watch the match with excitement. Along Istiklal Street, you can visit popular sites such as the fantastic Madame Tussauds Wax Museum, Hüseyin Ağa Mosque, St. Antoine Catholic Church, Pera Museum, Çiçek Passage, and French Street. You can also visit Nevizade or Asmalı Mescid for dinner and entertainment. See you with a new video in next week. Take care.